It's a video with a little twist. So guess what I'm holding? Yeah, you can see it. It's something that I bought from Amazon. And as I was looking through some products on Amazon, looking for something that I wanted to buy, I stumbled upon this product and I thought this would be a great video and perfect for this channel. So obviously it's my first Amazon unboxing. So we're going to open this box together and we're going to see what's in it. And as we open the box to see what's in it, we're going to go through what's inside together. So yes, let's do that. Okay, so ooh, look at that. So there's a nice little bag, and whatever is inside here is nicely tucked away inside this little bag. So we're gonna open and see what that is. Can you guess? I bet you'll never guess, not in a million years. Now then, let's see. Okay. Can you see what it is? Can you try to guess? Do you know what it is yet? Okay. Let's just remove the little wrap. Oh, okay. I've got a scissors here to speed things up. Otherwise, we'll be here forever, and we don't want that. Okay. Look. Yeah, it's a stress ball. If you guessed stress ball, you were right. But, big but, it's not just any stress ball. It's a motivational stress ball. And there are 6 of them, actually, 6. And as I said, we're going to go through them one by one. So when I say this is not just any stress ball, this is what I mean. In case you can't read properly, it says, won't stop, can't stop. Isn't that a great message? So anyway, before we go into the message, I just want to talk about the physical qualities of this ball. So it's nice and soft. It's not too squidgy and it's not too hard. And for me, it's just right. See, it's nice and bouncy. You can squeeze it with the right amount of force or energy. So for me, it's a perfect stress ball. And for those who don't know what a stress ball is, I'm going to explain what it is right now. So it's a ball, usually soft, not too hard, that you can squeeze, especially during times of great anxiety. Therapists use these during their sessions with patients. Good for mental health, for redirecting your energy and your focus. If you want to know more, I'll put a link in the description so that you can read about it. So basically, these stress balls are good for mental health issues, stress and anxiety, just to calm you down. Now that we've got that out of the way, the message, once again, it says won't stop, can't stop. This is a great message. If you're at a place in your life where you're thinking, maybe I'm just going to quit bothering. Maybe you're doing something in your life. Maybe you're embarking on a project, or you're trying to achieve something, or just trying to be something or someone. And you find that the journey is becoming really hard and that there are many stumbling blocks along the way. As you squeeze this stress ball and look at the message, you're reminded that you shouldn't stop, you should keep going. So these are like words of affirmation that you can say to yourself. I won't stop, I can't stop. And now on to the second ball. I'm just going to read out what it says. So here it is. It says, find your fire. Yes, I remember in one of the videos, I talked about how to find your real passion. You know, something that makes you want to jump out of bed in the morning, something that gets you excited. So that's what this message is about. Find your fire. Find that thing that you really want to do, something that gives you a purpose in life, something that motivates you in life. So yes, that will be your fire, something that really gets you going. So that's the fire that this ball is talking about. So yes, find your fire. We are being reminded to find our fire, to really dig deep and find out what it is that makes us who we are, what it is that gets us excited every day. So yes, find your fire. So that's the second ball. The third one, I'm gonna open it and read it. It says, make it happen. Yes. So the first one said, won't stop, can't stop, find your fire. So once you've found your fire and you've told yourself you're going to keep going despite the challenges, then make it happen. Just keep going. If you need resources, then do whatever you need to do to make it happen. So to me, that's what make it happen means. It means I'm going to make it happen no matter what it takes, no matter how long it takes. I'm going to keep going. So that's the third ball. Okay, so we dig again. You see what the fourth ball says. Ooh, I like this one. It says, dream big. It says, dream big. What I've found in life is that sometimes we look at ourselves and at our circumstances and think, I can't possibly dream of becoming that. I can't possibly dream of doing that. This is for so and so. This is not for little old me. I can't do that. I don't have what it takes. And because we look at our circumstances and our situation, perhaps they're not the best of circumstances right now. And we stop ourselves from dreaming big. We stop ourselves from even imagining ourselves coming out of our situation or even daring to ask for things. But this message is saying to me, you must dream big. There is a quote that says, if you can envision it, you can become it. If you can see it in your mind, you can be, it means you can become it. It means it's actually possible for you to become it or to achieve it. And if you're somebody who reads your Bible, it says, you have not because you ask not. And sometimes, as well as Christians, we don't ask for big things because we think, oh, it's too much. And what that means is you don't have faith in God, but God requires us to have faith and for our faith to be big enough to trust Him that He will provide. So it's the same principle. The first step, I believe, towards achieving anything is dreaming. So dream big. I think it's a great message, a really fantastic message. So yes. So that's the fourth ball. All right. Oh, by the way, just to reiterate, I'm going to put the link in the description if you want to buy this stress ball, if you think it will be useful for you, or if you know somebody who might benefit from this. These are words of affirmations that you can say to yourself, or if you feel that somebody might be able to utilize, then I'll put the link in the description so that you can actually buy for them as a gift. It can be a birthday present, and we know Christmas is coming. Thanksgiving is coming. We're going into the festive season now. So this will be a great present, I believe, to buy somebody. If you yourself, you suffer from anxiety, these stress balls can be quite useful when you feel anxiety building up within you, inside of you. You can grab one of these balls and just squeeze and just tell yourself, and I'm just going to read out what this one says right now. It says, I can and I will. So you just keep reminding yourself, I can and I will. That's all you got to tell yourself. I can and I will. Because sometimes in life, these voices encroach our minds and they start to tell us that you're useless. Your situation is hopeless. You can't possibly become it. You can't possibly achieve it. Who do you think you are? So those are voices that sometimes pop up in our heads. And as you look at this ball or these words, you can remind yourself that you can and you will. And when you do that, you're actually removing those negative thoughts, negative spirits from your mind, from your soul, from your heart. So I think this is a great message. I can and I will. So that's the fifth ball. So now for the last one. Well, I think, well, this wasn't intentional. I was just going as they come, but I think I've saved the best for last. Now, this one, it says, prove them wrong. Yes, honey, prove them wrong. You can so prove them wrong. In life, and this is life we're talking about, and this is real. Some people are just waiting for our downfall. They're waiting for us to fail, and they celebrate when we fail. And they look at us trying to become something, trying to achieve something, and they think, okay, we'll give her time. She's going to quit. She's not going to make it. And I'm not really somebody who likes to do things just to prove that I can do it to other people. That's not what the motivation for you to do something should be. But as I said, this is life we're talking about. We cannot ignore the fact that there are people out there who wish us bad things. There are people who don't have our best intentions at heart. So as you look at these words, you can remind yourself that you can and you should and you will prove those people wrong. Perhaps it's people in your life who say to you, why are you doing that? Why are you even bothering doing that? You don't have what it takes. You don't have the talent. You don't have the guts to do that. It's a waste of time. Why don't you just quit? And I think those are the people you absolutely must prove wrong. Just go ahead, do your thing, and prove them wrong because you can and you will. So, isn't that wonderful? I think that these are beautiful words, encouraging words. So, just to recap, prove them wrong, dream big, don't shrink yourself, find your fire, won't stop, can't stop. You must keep going and make it happen because you can. And I can and I will. So keep reminding yourself that you can and you will because why not? So once again, I hope you enjoyed this message as I did. And I think I will enjoy just squeezing these balls and just reading these words out loud to myself and just reminding myself of what I can do, of what is possible. So if you like this product, if you think that this is a great product for you to possess or that you want to give it to somebody you think might want to use it, then just click the link in the description box and it will take you straight to the site and you can purchase yourself this great product. And it doesn't have to be red. I saw that it comes in different colors. So we have green, we have blue, we have yellow. So you get to pick which color you want. So yes,